Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss about how actually Aspidospermia is working in today's current situation of COVID-19 pandemic. So one of the very good and leading remedy for the coronavirus infection. So this is how the Aspidospermia looks. So in COVID-19 situation, basically what happens is the gas exchange mechanism is hampered due to virus infection and mucus secretion is increased. So basically the alveoli, which is the smallest structure of our lungs, it gets collapsed, and due to this lack of oxygenation is done and hypoxic condition, and person may feel dyspnea and the state of acute respiratory distress syndrome is done. So actually, Aspidospermia contains some amount of alkaloids. Basically, it contains six alkaloids. One of the major alkaloid which is act is euhambine, some amount of tannins, sugars, and sterols. So basically, action of euhambine is action on alpha 2 adrenergic receptor. Basically, it acts on alpha 2 receptor and it blocks them. And by blocking the receptors, they increase the amount of norepinephrine, dopamine, serotonin, and cholinergic receptors. So how actually alpha 2 receptors is act, and it is antagonist by euhambine. Euhambine is also act on pre-bought Zinger complex. It is a complex. It contains respiratory centers and it is situated at medulla in brain. So by the action of euhambine, serotonin also increase, and serotonin helps in blood gas exchange, and by this the amount of oxygen is increased, and by this also the action of dopamine is increased, and dopamine is actually work on blood vessels. So by maintain their structure properly, dopamine will prevent the plasma leakage, which it is actually happen in COVID-19 infection. And the cholinergic receptors is doing prevention for the bronchoconstriction. It maintains the normal lung airway pathway. So how we will come to use for the Aspidospermia in clinical applications? So basically, Aspidospermia used in pulmonary hypertension, ARDS, like current situation. In many cases of asthma also, we will use Aspidospermia for the acute state. So in last, I would like to correlate Aspidospermia with family Apocynaceae, because the Aspidospermia is belonging to the Apocynaceae family, and the main theme of Apocynaceae family is muscle contraction, high working capacity. So in COVID situation, in coronavirus infection, due to hypoxia, our lungs working beyond their capacity. So muscles may get fatigue and feeling of weakness, and the main active reaction of Apocynaceae families desire to expand. So exactly, physically also lungs alveoli gets collapsed due to their lack of oxygenation and increased mucus secretion. So alveoli gets collapsed and they desire to expand. So in our Borix Materia Medica also it is written that want of breath, actually patient demand more oxygen, and this is the main theme of the Apocynaceae family also. This is what how we can correlate Aspidospermia with the family and the kingdoms method also. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you.